Hello everyone, my name is Aisha Yusufu and this is Aisha's take on the headlines. So I will look at some of the headlines and then I'll tell you what I think about it. Well, I'm going to start with the one where they switch my belly. The one that I'm enjoying the most is this one on the NBA. And the NBA, they've readied 13-member legal team for any Nigerian that is taken to court by the federal government over the Twitter ban. That's for, Nigerian government woke up and decided to ban Twitter, and that anyone that is on Twitter is going to be prosecuted. There's no law specifically stating that, but that's what they care, because when power gets into people's head, they say absolute power corrupts absolutely, and that's exactly what's happening to the Nigerian government right now. And I love the new NBA that we have, that it's really standing there, being the legal arm for the masses, fighting for the masses, standing against injustice, ensuring that the rule of law is followed. That's what NBA should do. And so for me, love to Olumide Akpata. He's an amazing leader. And when they say leadership is everything, NBA is showing you very that way. There is this one, the Nigeria's total debt is increasing like no man's business. I mean, they are borrowing money for our great-grandchildren to come and pay. Yay. Now, wow, don't be small thing. It should interest us what all these monies are being used for. Talking about the money being used for, federal government okays 895.5 billion supplementary budget for military, COVID-19 and others. Free money that will be used anyhow, that will not be accountable, there will be no transparency, and at the end of the day, we are the ones that are going to be paying for it. They're borrowing more and more and more and spending this money anyhow, no accountability, billionaires out there, and this is really unacceptable. I mean, we need to check what is happening more. As citizens, we need to be more mindful of what is being done with our monies, and ensure that we hold those in government accountable. It's very, very, absolutely very necessary. The next one, of course, I'm going to talk about is judiciary workers suspend strike. I mean, that's an amazing one, because and they say they are suspended for now. In the next 3 months, if nothing is done, they'll go back, which is good. Whatever you're doing, you must be reasonable in whatever you're doing, and you must ensure that the public goodwill is with you. With what has happened with the with the government threatening to take people to take people who are using Twitter to court and all of that, many people needed to go to court. The courts aren't open. You remember yesterday we talked about the fact that the Court of Appeal was thinking about starting Zoom session. They can still think about that anyway. They can still continue that while this is being done. Technology must be deployed to the best use that it can be deployed to at any time. So of course, the judiciary workers suspending their strike for now, it's an amazing thing. Let people be able to get to court, let people be able to do the things that they need to do, and then hopefully the government, also the executive arm of government, do the needful. It's very important for them to have autonomy. State judiciary should have their own autonomy, local government autonomy. Let them be able to do let them be able to call their own shot. Let them not be doing boy over some people. There's this one that is so funny. It's so amazing. Federal government to sell West African countries to buy Nigerian electricity, because we have so much electricity that it's just lying there to waste, and we're selling to other countries. And some of these countries that we end up selling to, they actually get more electricity than we that were in the nation. Can somebody just package Nigeria as a soap opera so that we can make money from there? We really can make money, because the things that happen in Nigeria, except if you are in Nigeria, you absolutely will not believe them.